Sankey diagrams are used to represent energy transfers. The arrow in a Sankey diagram represents the transfer of energy. The end of the arrow pointing to the right represents the energy that ends up in the desired state. The ends that point down represents the waste. So this arrow is the useful energy out. This arrow right here is the wasted, and these arrows as a whole in. Now the width of the arrow is proportional to the amount of energy going to each store. As a result of the conservation is equal to useful energy plus wasted energy.